Honor has officially scheduled the launch of its all-new GT smartphone for December 16th. The company has shared a giant teaser of this device on its official Weibo page. The company has also showcased the device's official look. It houses two lenses arranged vertically. It's come in Phantom Black, Ice Crystal White, and Aurora Green. The framework also has a red-colored GT logo in the lower right corner, featuring an OIS-enabled 50-megapixel primary camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and 16MP front camera. The phone will have a flat frame. Honor GT feature a 6.7-inch 120Hz LTPS AMOLED flat screen with a 1.5K resolution. It will have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with up to 16GB RAM with 1TB storage. Honor GT pack a 6000 mAh battery and support 100W fast charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.